Hi QA folks, in this video I want to show you how to install Cypress and start using it. So let's go to Google, cypress.io. Installing Cypress. So it's npm or yarn. So basically it's Node.js kind of app or package. So first of all need to download and install Node.js. Go here, download and install according to your operational system. I have macOS, I have already installed. Then you need to create folder terminal. Cypress. Oops. Now you need to run npm init first. Package name. Yes, enter. Yes, okay. Just leave all the default values, doesn't really matter for us. Okay, now here we can go back. pm install Cypress. Just a moment. So npm install copy. Go back to terminal, say so we switch to this folder, run npm init. Now we run in this command, npm install Cypress. It should install it. You see, found 0 vulnerabilities, 41 package, added 185 packages. Okay. And now it says to run just a second. Okay, let's go back here. pm install Cypress, npx Cypress open. Let's run npx Cypress open. You will get this kind of Apple window. Yeah, let's say end-to-end testing. We added following files. Yes, I want to generate all the examples. Continue. I will be using Chrome, let's say. Start end-to-end testing. Scaffold examples. Okay, got it. So basically this is kind of the embedded test runner when it shows you all the generated specs, example of tests. You can click on it. Let's try this one, and it runs it right away. It's starting executing the tests. So how does it look like on the code level? So you can stop this using Ctrl C. I want to open it my code editor. Code space dot. I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor. So here's a package file that we created using that command npm init. After we run Cypress install, he basically added this line. And here are all of the examples that we saw in that previous window. Let's try to write something quickly by ourselves. So for this, let's just copy this file, name, let's say Slava tests.ci.js. Let me put it in here. So for now I don't need all of these examples because I've already copied what I need. So delete. And I don't want you to be confused with the structure by seeing a lot of files. So let's say test one. I'm not going to use before each method for now. So this will be test, actually test set. Slava test set, Slava test one. So let's go to target.com. Let's write a test that will enter something in search bar and perform the search. So let's say Apple AirPods, second generation. Let's take this one. Let's try to search exactly this product. So let's say const product to search equals quotes. This will be our variable that will contain the product that we want to search. We are going to open target.com. Then we need to find locator for the search field. Not right now. We go back, let me clear it. Inspect. It has ID search, so let's check search by ID. This will be our CSS locator. Found search. Go back. Let's save it in our code. Let's say, so this is basically JavaScript code. With const you are declaring a variable. Const locator search input equals. Then we are going to open website. Let's see what commands do we have available. Type. we have get element, type something and press enter. This is exactly what we need. So let's take this one. Let's say ci.get this locator. Type, I'm going to type this product name, press enter, and then let's see what happens then. What happens then? And then we are going to be redirected to this page, and the first product basically should be what we were looking for, right? So that's will be our test. Wait for results, and in the result the first product should be what we exactly looking for, searching for, if we're using the full product name, of course, because if we just type AirPods, this one will not be on the first place. Okay, so now we need to find a method that will get text. So Cypress has assertion. I'm not going to guide you through all the documentation. You can read it by yourself. I don't want to waste time on this. Not yours, not mine. I'm just giving you a quick practical example how to start using it. So Cypress is based on assertions. Where is have text? Have text. So this is what I'm gonna need. I need to find my locator. So for the first, this one product, what we can use as a locator. href area label class data test ID product title. Let's try to use this one. 12 elements, 12 product names. So this is what I need. I will be using first one. So I take locator, go back to my code, say in here const locator search results equals, this is my locator. I need to put it here, get elements by locator, take the first one, and that first element should have text. Which one? This one, products to search. I don't need this anymore, and I don't need other examples. Like this. No, I don't need this one anymore as well. Now let's save. If we will run, so first option is to use the provided tool or run your. So let's open it. Yes, I'm an int3. I'm going to use Chrome. It will ask you each time. So now you see instead of a bunch of those generated examples, I have only my spec file. I click on it. It runs, automatically runs all the tests inside it. So let's see what it does, if it works or not. Yeah, so it performed all the actions. This is some, let's say, debug or troubleshooting output. Don't pay attention to this one. This is the green tick means the test is passed. This vertical green line also means that the test is passed. So basically our test, we wrote a test, our first test, and it's passing. To show you that it can fail as well, let's change this to Slava, that the first product should be Slava. Save it, and when you save it, it will run it automatically when you're using this specific tool. So you see now it's red, it's failed, red in here. What is our error message? Timeout expected. It says to have expected to have text Slava, but text was this one. So this is how the failed test look like in Cypress. You can also run it from the command line, but it's probably will be using this specific way using the tool. From the command line, I guess you need run documentation, running tests. That's the last thing I want to show you. Don't make this video too long. Getting started, component, running tests. CI pipeline. Where is that command? Trans-specific. How to run? You can Google everything as always. How to run specific test. Tag in Cypress. Cypress run. Cypress run spec. Let's try this command. So if I close this tool, go back here, says new terminal. And I guess I need to add the header in order to see the browser itself. So it will be a Cypress E2E Slava tests. Cypress E2E Slava tests. Let's try to run from the terminal, not using the default runner tool. Oops, missed C. BX. Cypress run. What about this one? Yeah, now it opens, run the tests. So this is how you can run the test without using the tool. Yeah, I need to change it back to make it pass. And you will see some output on the console, or in the terminal actually. 1 of 1 failed, expected this text, received no, expected this text, receive this text, and the command was this one. I needed to add npx. So this is how you can write and run your tests. I hope it was helpful for anyone. See you in the next video.